Hello, everyone. My name is Leslie Silbernagel, and I am the new SECO president. I just wanted to take a moment today and introduce myself to you and tell you a little bit about myself. I live in Cincinnati, Ohio, with my husband, Matt, our son, Miles, and our dog, Moby. I got into science education kind of in a roundabout way. I actually went to the School for Creative and Performing Arts here in Cincinnati and was a dance major in middle school and high school, but had an amazing ninth grade biology teacher, Mr. Van Emmen, who made me fall in love with science. So I actually went to Miami University and got a bachelor's degree in botany, and actually continued there and started a master's program in plant community ecology. But between doing my research, taking classes, and my teaching assistantship, I found that I wanted to spend all of my time writing lesson plans for the field botany course that I was teaching. So that's when it kind of dawned on me, maybe you're not meant to do research, maybe you're actually meant to be a science teacher. So I had taken the right classes to get my alternative educator license in the state of Ohio. So I went and got a job at a high school here in Cincinnati teaching biology and earth science. And so I then went and got a master's degree in secondary science education and continued teaching all kinds of different high school science courses for 13 years. I think I've taught most high school science courses other than advanced chemistry and physics classes. And about 11 or yeah, in 2011, I was lucky enough to be in a district where they had an opening for a science content specialist in the curriculum department. So that's when I started my transition into the curriculum world. So, and it was as a science specialist that going to meetings that I started meeting people like Tracy Sindrick and Angie McMurray, who inspired me and got me to be involved in SECO. I'd always been a SECO member since I had been a first-year teacher, but really wasn't active in SECO. And so I became a district director for 4 years and then transitioned to treasurer, and then finally decided to give a go at being president. So I'm super excited to be president for the next 2 years. I'm so looking forward to our chance to continue to grow and improve science education across the state of Ohio for our educators and for our students. And I know it's a busy time of year. You're getting ready to go back into your classrooms if you're not already there getting ready. So I just wish you the best first days, and I hope you're off to a great start of the school year. Make sure you check out our newsletters. We're going to be posting lots of important information, like ODE just posted the new model curriculum and released items from last year's state assessment. And there'll be lots of PD coming from ODE, some of which hopefully through SECO to help you get ready for those new revised standards. Have a great day, everybody.